Well, hello everybody. We are in Petoskey, Michigan. We are actually staying at Magnus Park Campground, which is in downtown Petoskey. It's actually on Lake Michigan.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. We have stayed there before, and it's a city-county park, and it's very reasonably priced for here. And we usually try to plan ahead. Some of the sites are hard to get, but we always try to plan ahead so we can get one of those sites. Now, it did start raining just a little bit ago, so we tucked into this little gazebo, and we are still dealing with the smoke from those wildfires. But we are really near the Hemingway statue, which Ernest Hemingway has a lot of history here. When he was a kid, his family would summer here. They had a cottage on Walnut Lake, which is just south of Petoskey, and so there's a lot of Hemingway history here as well. But today we're going to go ahead and explore the town a little bit, show you a little bit of that.
Well, the DJI on the truck. So at the end of this video, you'll do a drive through the downtown. There is a farmer's market just that way. We're going to go check out.
Gotta
also.
do that.
Maybe we get some snacks, whatever, as we tour around. But while we do all that, we're going to walk around.
We're going to go walk around and just come along. Let's go explore.
Perfect. And you can grab whichever jar you like. Would you like a bag for it? Or?
Would that be okay?
Yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
you. Well, we just stopped at the visitor center. It's always a good place to start. Got some information, got some maps and things. Also, they're giving out these particulate masks because there is still kind of a heavy smoke here, which was really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and keep walking and look at some of the shops.
Sorry for the quick interruption.
But we just wanted to give you guys an update
Yes.
with all the smoke coming in from Canada. But it has cleared up. We got our air conditioner fixed that first day, and right after that, the smoke cleared out and has really just been gone the whole time we've been here. So we've had beautiful blue skies, and it's turned into a really beautiful time here. Thank you so much for sticking with us through
Yes.
all of that. Now back to the fun. I'm also looking for that one little shop where I got the sweatshirts and stuff. Oh, Murdick's. That's the Fudge. Oh, we got to get some of that. We're going to go ahead and get some Fudge at Murdick's. We have been wanting to do this, and we don't even have to go to Mackinac Island to get it. Well, we haven't gone very far, and I've already got 2 bags. We stopped here at Murdick's to get some Fudge, got the chocolate walnut. I think this is what we got the last time. I'm so glad we were able to find a shop here in Petoskey. But let's keep on going, see what else we can find. Well, I just started down the street and I found this cute little shoe store, and I've been looking for some sandals. So I'm trying some on. They have a big selection here, so I'm hoping maybe I can find something I couldn't find back home. Well, we got our ham and cheese croissant heated up. Looks absolutely delicious. Kind of reminds me of what we used to get in Europe. Did you find a comfy chair?
Yes. Let's get this one.
That looks nice. Well, we're in Momentum. It's a store that we really like to come to in Petoskey. They have really good prices on shirts and sweatshirts and bags and all kinds of things. We usually load up when we come here. So we're probably going to make a few purchases. So we're in downtown Petoskey again today, but we are here for Art in the Park. This is the 40th year. It's a juried fine art festival, and we're going to take a look and see what's around. That's cute. I love these hats. Well, we're going to wrap up our time here in Petoskey. It is one of my favorite small downtown areas. It has fantastic shops. Of course, I got a new hat and a few other things, but it is one of my favorites. But we were going to have to wrap it up and move on.
What I did was with all the smoke and all the wind, I did do a drive-through. So after we close this one up, watch that drive-through. It's all the main roads and kind of give you a good perspective of Petoskey if you've never driven through it. But other than that,
we'll see you down the road.